Natarajan. Now what we are going to say in this video is what is support and resistance, or we can call it as support zone or resistance zones or demand supply zone. So we can call it in different manner. Okay, so now this is what we are going to see in this video. Before moving to this video, actually this is our channel in the name of NG Gainers, and we have put few videos about financial industry and mutual fund. What is mutual fund, its features, and what is fixed deposits and its features, and regarding trading we have put some videos in the sense what is day trading and how a layman invest in share market, about mutual fund, and these are the videos we have put, and you can watch all these videos and you can share these videos to your friends and trading circle. Okay, and still if you not yet subscribe our channel, kindly below there is a subscribe button, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you very much. Now we are moving into presentation. What is supply and demand, what is support and resistance. So these are the things now we are going to see in this video. So now what we are going to see is support. Support, the price point where the movement of sellers are arrested by buyers, is called support. So in the market there are two people, one is buyer and another one is seller. Always there is a battle between buyer and seller, that we have to keep it in our mind. Okay, so first point is the price point where the movement of sellers are arrested by buyers is called support. So normally if there is a selling market, if the sellers start to sell the counter, normally it comes down. So there will be a point where the buyers will stop it. That point is called support. And next point is support can be identified by the formation of U or V or W shape reversal in the chart. If you look at the chart, if there is a support, then the support formation will be in the form of U, or it will be in the form of V, or it will be in the form of W. These are the type of reversal. The reversal will be in the form of U or V or W. So these are the reversal point. See, if you look at the chart in the reversal point, the reversal logo will be U or V or W. This is what we have mentioned here. Support can be identified by the formation of U or V or W shape reversal in the trick. That I will tell you later in the live chart. And third one is, if there is a multiple point of reversal in a single price point, then it is called support zone. Okay, and see, for example, I will tell you 1 second. See, if there is a reversal like this is called U. Okay, and sometimes the reversal will be like this, in this shape. This is called V. And sometimes it is happening like this, W. So these are the symbols we have mentioned, U, V or W. The reversal will be like this. The market will reverse like this, and or like V or W. So these are the shapes we can expect in the reversal point, which means support point. And next one is, if there is a multiple reversal, for example, normally if it is like that, this point is called support zone. Okay, this is called support zone. This is called support zone. There will be multiple reversal in the same point. That point is called support zone. Okay, so again I am repeating now. The first one is the price point where the movement of sellers are arrested by buyers is called support. So if the sellers start to sell the market, it comes down. Okay, this is the point of buyers. Here the buyers are supporting the market. Now it is reversal. Okay, again the buyers are putting more pressure to push up the market. It goes up to this level and again it comes down. Okay, and again this is the support level. Again it goes up, again it comes down. So continuously, if the point is in the same level, this level is called support zone. Okay, and next one is, one second. This is resistance. Okay, so resistance, the price point where the movement of buyers are arrested by sellers is called resistance. So normally in the bull market, if the market goes like this, okay, I'll tell you, the market goes like this, and there is a point of reversal. Here the sellers are putting more pressure to push down the counter. Okay, again the market goes up. Again the sellers are putting more pressure to push down the counter. Okay, so always these places called resistance, where the buyers are arrested by, where the movement of buyers are arrested by sellers is called a resistance. This is the resistance point. If there is a continuous resistance point in a particular place, that place is called resistance zone. This is the resistance zone or zone. Resistance, this is called a resistance zone. Okay, this is earlier in the previous slide we have seen about support zone. Now we are seeing about resistance zone. This is called resistance zone or resistance. Okay. The second point is resistance can be identified by the formation of N or M shape reversal in the chart. Okay, this is called N or M. If it is double reversal point, if you mix it in the single line, that is called M. And if there is a third point, is if there is a multiple point of reversal in a single point, then it is called a resistance zone. So this is called resistance zone. This is called resistance zone. Okay. Third one, very important slide is, one second. Secret behind the formation of support and resistance. This is very, very important. One must understand that what is the secret behind support and resistance. That clear we have mentioned, it is purely human emotions. It's purely human emotions. There is nothing behind that. That I'll tell you about this human emotion in the chart. Charts to mark that support and resistance level. First, let me take State Bank of India. This is a chart of State Bank of India. Now we are, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep this chart, historical chart and monthly candle, okay? Historic chart with monthly candle. Here you can see, this is the time frame of last 10 years. This is from 2010 to this is the time frame of 2010, okay? And here it is almost 2020. Last 10 years we have taken historical chart of State Bank of India, and I am going to mark the now resistance level. Here you see, these are resistance level. And these are support level. One second. These are support level, last 10 years. Okay, so I can tell you one thing. See, if the support or resistance happening in the same place, that is called zone. See, here you can see from 2010 to 2020, The resistance has happened in the same place, almost 350 rupees. This is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. Like that, the support also in 150. I mean, the price is 150. In price 150, it has occurred 3 times. These are our support level. Okay, we can call it as a zone. I'll tell you. This is the zone of resistance. This is resistance zone. Like that, this is support zone. Okay. This is support zone. Sorry. This is resistance zone. This is support zone. And next chart, we are going to see Hindustan Unilever. This is a chart of Hindustan Unilever, okay. Again, I have taken the historical chart with the time frame of 1 day. 1 day candle only I have taken, okay. Here you can see. This is a historic chart of Hindustan Unilever. Here I am going to mark the support and resistance level. These are our support level. And these are our resistance level. Okay, we can connect the support and resistance level. These are our support level in Hindustan Unilever, historical chart, daily candle. Okay. One candle is 1 day. And third one, what we are going to see is ITC, okay. Now ITC chart we are going to see. This is a chart of ITC Limited. Now I am opening. Here also we are going to take historic chart and daily time frame. Okay. So this is last 1 year chart. Last almost December 2020. From here to now it is almost 2021. Now we are in September. Okay. Now I am going to mark the first resistance level. See, these are resistance level last 1 year. As well as support level also I am going to mark now. This is the level of support. Okay. These are the levels of support. Now we can say it as a support zone because the price is same in different occasion. Here you see 195 is the support 1, and again support 2 also 195, and support 3 also 195. Here it is not so. Here the price is changing. Here you see, here the price is 230, 240 something, and again it has come down, Okay, so this is the level of resistance, this is the level of support, okay. Now we can connect, by connecting the resistance and support level, we can find out a pattern, okay. Well, I'll show it. Here you can see, now we have connected resistance level and this is a support level. We can draw a horizontal line itself. Okay, now what happened, this pattern is called pennant pattern. Okay, now I have connected all resistance and this is support line. Now there is a breakout. Okay, so this pennant pattern model, the end of the chart, there will be a breakout. This is a breakout has occurred at the price of 213. Now the price is 236. Okay. To understand the concept of support and resistance, still if you not yet subscribe our channel, below there is a subscribe button. Kindly subscribe the channel and share this video to your friends and trading circle. Thank you very much.